In front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Made Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. You need to begin by opening an app called Files that's already on your Lenovo, and then tap in Allow in the pop-up. Now select those three lines at the top left corner, and from this section select Clean at the top. Now click Clean next to Junk Files. And last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was already cleaned. But if yours is not, this option will delete all of your junk files. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!